each one of you to kindly keep your mobiles in flight mode and maintain silence throughout the program. Strictly avoid moving around for taking the photos as we have professional photographers covering this event. To receive the degree, the candidates are asked to enter the stage from the left side and exit the stage from the right side. Graduates are requested to look at the photographer for a picture while collecting your certificates. Raise up while the academic procession enters the auditorium. During the administration of the oath, the graduates are requested to stand and repeat the oath while stretching your right hand forward. At the end of the graduation ceremony, please remain standing in your place until the procession leaves the hall. Graduates and parents seated in their allotted seats are not allowed to leave the hall till the closure of the event. Please follow these instructions during the event. great things are not done by impulse, but by series of small things brought together. Ladies and gentlemen, pleasant morning to all gathered here. On behalf of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, we wholeheartedly welcome our dignitaries, HODs of various departments, invited guests, faculty, staff, proud parents, and most importantly, our dear graduates.
Let us all rise as we welcome the majestic graduation ceremony procession arriving to the venue with the honorable dignitaries. Our chief guest, Professor B. Ravi, Director, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Guest of honor, Dr. Somashekara Bhatt, Joint Director, MIT Manipal. Mr. Prashant Shetty, Vice President of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, Dr. Shantaram Rai C, Principal of AJIT, Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa, Dean Academics, Dr. Anthony PJ, Vice Principal and Convener of Graduation Day 2025, and heads of various departments.
Thank you all. You may please be seated. We are here to witness the 5th graduation day ceremony of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mangalore. Today, with caps in the air and smiles on your faces, you celebrate not just the achievement of a degree, but the journey that shaped you, challenged you, and transformed you into engineers.
As we celebrate achievement, let us also reflect in humility, recognizing that every step forward is made firmer by faith, hope, and unseen strength. Bowing down to the strength, may I now invite Janya Prasad and team to lead us with the invocation. Kindly rise.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानात्मरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानात्मनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूदगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you. Please be seated. We are honored to have your presence as we come together to celebrate not just the success of our graduates, but also the hard work, the effort that every parent and faculty has put in building this path for them. With this, may I now call upon our respected principal, Dr. Shantaram Rai C, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, all gathered here, warm greetings to all of you. On behalf of the AJ Institute of Engineering Technology, distinct dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, my dear students, friends, graduates, and parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in this auspicious occasion on the beautiful morning. With the blessings of the Almighty and wishes of our beloved President, as a message from our beloved President, today we have with us to inaugurate the graduation ceremony and bless our students to eminent personality. The person who is a basically researcher, educationalist, good leader, administrator, we are fortunate to have with us today none other than the chief guest of today's function, Professor B. Ravi. On behalf of our AJ Institute of Engineering Technology, I welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Mablai Shepard, Dean of Academics, florally welcome, Professor. The guest of honor today is well-wisher of our AJ Institute of Technology, well-wisher of the personally myself also, is none other than Joint Director of the Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. Somsekhar Bhatt. In spite of last moment invitation, busy schedule, he changed his plan and he was here for honor as well as bless the graduates. On behalf of the AJ Institute of Technology, I welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Anthony P.J. florally welcome Professor Somsekhar Bhatt. The visionary leader, dynamic role model, young and energetic, is the role model for all of us, none other than today's president of the function, Mr. Prashant Shetty, Vice President of Lakshmi Education Trust, who is always with us without any doubt and supporting and the growth of this institution basically is the brainchild of the Prashant Shetty, these institutions. On behalf of our AJ Institute or AJ80 family, I welcome you, sir. I request Professor Diksha Anand florally welcome our beloved Vice President. We also with us the leaders of our institution, Dr. Mablai Shepard, Dean Academics, and Dr. Anthony P.J., Vice Principal of our institution. On behalf of our AJ85, I welcome you, both of you. The heads of various departments of all the engineering as well as the science department are here. The beloved HODs are supported for all these activities of the institutions. On behalf of the again AJ85, I will welcome you, all of you. Today's main attraction is our graduates. In the sense nowadays it will be employees. With the wishes of the brainchild of our Vice President as well as the wishes of our beloved President, Dr. AJ Shetty, now we are here as well as all are settled, most of them settled there in the professions. It is our duty to, not as you are a guest here, welcome you on this occasion. As a personal capacity principal as well as the AJ80 family, welcome you all my beloved graduates. The supporting pillar for this graduate, none other than their parents. Always day and night working, struggling for them, make them to settle this. Some of them, they are here. On behalf of the AJ85, I welcome you, all of you. Last but not least, the supporting bone of this is nothing but our faculty members, teaching and non-teaching, most of them here. On behalf of the personal capacity as well as the management side, welcome all my dear staff members of AJ80. Always those who are giving publicity without anything, they are nothing but media persons. On behalf of again our graduation day committee, welcome all the media press and media persons and those who are supported for all this program. With these few words, once again wish you all the best, my dear graduates, and let it be your future may a fruitful one. Next, your service of the 40 years, you enjoy your service so that your parent will be happiest in that point. And wish you all the best. Once again, congratulate for all my dear graduate and wish you all the best for your futures.
Thank you, sir. A warm welcome to you too. Deepam signifies light of knowledge. In every lamp we light, we honor not just tradition, but the spark of potential that resides within each life. May I now call upon the dignitaries to come forward and light the lamp. Kindly rise.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः।
Thank you all. Serving his role as an academic expert at this institute, we have with us our Dean Academic, Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa. I now request him to come forward and deliver the annual report.
Very good morning to one and all gathered here. Distinguished dignitaries on and off the dais, respected chief guest of the august occasion, Professor B. Ravi, Director NITK Surathkal, respected guest of honor, Dr. Somashekara Bhatt, Joint Director MIT Manipal, respected Sri Prashant Shetty Sir, Honorable Vice President, Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, respected Principal of our institution, Dr. Shantaram Rai, respected Vice Principal, Dr. Anthony PJ, HODs of the various departments, press and media, faculty members, parents, and graduating students of our institution. Today we stand here to celebrate the graduation ceremony. It is always a special occasion, the culmination of years of hard work, the actualization of the goals attained, and the acknowledgement of success achieved. In a way, an acknowledgement of the caliber and the merit of our institution. It is with a great pride that I am here to share the success stories and the accomplishments of our students and the faculty members. As I look back, the academic year 2024-25 has brought many accomplishments. It is my proud privilege to present the brief annual report of our institution for the academic year 2024-25 before the August gathering. Dr. A.J. Shetty Sir, the visionary founder of the A.J. Group of institutions, was a man far ahead of his times. It is his thinking that underlines, defines, and shapes all the educational institutions that come under the auspices of the Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, which was established as the first step towards revolutionizing the educational landscape of the country. AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology was established in 2016, keeping pace with the changing times and constantly evolving technologies. It has come a long way since from its modest beginnings. Today it is ranked one among the frontline engineering colleges in the state of Karnataka. In a small period of the time from its inception, the college is accredited by NAC and NBA. The academic year 2024-25 was marked with many successful events, and all credit is attributed to the high-level commitment of the management, the dedicated faculty members, the earnest efforts, and the support of the students and other various stakeholders. Also, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of them for their prompt and genuine response in successful conduction of all these events and the programs in our institution. The results of our students have been very positive and encouraging. The eminent academicians from the various institutions who have set the bar high, maintaining the quality of the examination papers and the associated invigilation and evaluation process. We are proud that 199 students have performed very well in the university examinations, and among them 197 students have successfully passed with an overall percentage of 98%. In another significant development, NBA accreditation of our college was extended up to 2027-28 for the second time to the 5 of the UG programs: Computer Science and Engineering, Information Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Civil and Mechanical Engineering, based on the recommendations of the NBA expert team visited on 7th March 2025. We have been granted permission from the AICTE New Delhi, VTU Belgavi, to start new programs in artificial intelligence, machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science, IoT, cybersecurity and the blockchain technology, and 2 PG programs under the MBA and MCA. With this, the total intake of our institution has reached to 1,020. The college has celebrated national festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day of our nation by hoisting the national flag, and also celebrated other commemorative days such as Constitutional Day, World Environment Day, World Water Day, etc. An induction program for the first year engineering students were conducted during August 2024 with an aim to familiarize them to the new environment, introduce them to the institute culture, and help them to adapt their studies and to develop the various skill sets. I am delighted to present before the August gathering that our institution has achieved milestone with 4-star rating by the Institution Innovation Council, IIC, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Our students have participated in the University Techno-Cultural Fest Yukti 2K25 and bagged the overall runner championship and technical championship. This fest was organized at VTU University Campus, Belgavi, held on 20th and 21st February 2025. I am proud to state that Mr. Ashish Yemra, student of the first year from the Computer Science and Engineering Department, has awarded with Chinnara Shaurava Rajya Prashasti during the Karavali Kalotsava 2024-25, organized by the Kannada and the Culture Department, Government of Karnataka. Our students have participated in Sambram, National Level Techno-Cultural Fest, and won the overall Runners Championship. Our students have been embarking on the path-breaking projects too, and secured a top 7 position in the state level Innovation Fest 2025, organized by Agastya International Foundation, held on 31st January 2025, held at STM Engineering College, Dharwad. Our students have participated in the various cultural technical events, which was organized by Sridevi Institute of Technology, Mangalore, held on 1st March 2025, and won the overall championship. The pre-final year students from the Civil Engineering Department have participated in Navi Tantrics 2025, a project idea presentation held at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Energy and Development, Bangalore, and won the 3rd position and received a cash prize of rupees 12,000. We have received rupees 45,500 as a financial support from the KCST Bangalore to carry out the students' projects across all the departments. Our institution has organized the Alumni Meet, a program held on December 2024. The Alumni Meet is conducted every year in order to reconnect with the alumni to celebrate their success and various accomplishments. Dr. Sangeeta DM, professor in the Department of the Civil Engineering, has won the Best Paper Award in the international conference, which was organized by the MIT Manipal, held on 12th December 2024. Dr. John Prakash, professor and HOD of the Information Science and Engineering Department, has published an Indian patent titled Coherence Correlation Based Allied EEG. More than 25 FDPs and the various training programs was attended by our faculty members. IEEE Professional Society has organized one-day 24 hours hackathon and conducted many workshops and the technical talks for the benefit of our student as well as to reach the students of the other institutions. Our students, Navya, Aditya Shetty, Ananya S, and many more students are involved in publishing in International Journal of the Advanced Research in Computer and Communication Engineering. Our students, Prithviraj, Rupesh, Vaishnavi Kotiyan participated in the Gnana Sangama for presenting papers in the national level conference organized by Vivekananda College of Engineering, Puttur, which was held on 3rd May 2024. Altogether, more than 27 papers were published in the various national and international journals and the conferences by our students under the guidance of the faculty members. Our student, Diyarani, from second year Computer Science and Engineering, has accomplished in sports and won second place in the V4NEWS State Level Karate Championship held at Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Our student, Pahima Aruchil, won 2 gold medals in 100 and 200 meters, 2 silver medals in long jump and relay on individual category. Our student, Akash R. Chandran, won the gold medal in weightlifting under the V4NEWS State Level Men and Women Weightlifting Championship organized at Alvas Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mudubidare. The placement department plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between the academic knowledge and the industry expectations. It facilitates campus recruitment, provides pre-placement training, and offers career guidance to the students, ultimately increasing their employability and successful placements. Out of 197 eligible students, 108 students are placed with an highest package of the 10 lakhs per annum was offered. Total 149 placements were offered and the 70 plus companies have visited the campus for the campus drive. All these accomplishments have been quite possible only because of the outstanding contributions of all the faculty members and the students of our institution. Each one of them richly deserves a pat on their back. With this, I conclude the presentation of our college report before the August gathering. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Kishore Shetty, first year coordinator, to administer the oath to the graduates. Graduates, kindly rise and stretch your right hand forward. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, all. Graduates, kindly rise your right hand and repeat after me. On this august occasion of graduation day, I graduated from AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mangaluru, enter into my profession, solemnly pledge that honesty, sincerity, and hard work shall be the cherished values of my life. I vow to practice my profession with conscience and dignity. I will strive to apply my skills only with the utmost respect for the well-being of humanity, the earth, and all its species. I shall always place my country above self. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Behind every graduate stands a silent story of hard work, sleepless nights, and the quiet determination to never give up. May I now request Dr. Anthony PJ, HOD, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to take over the proceedings. Now I would like to request our chief guest, Professor B. Ravi, to honor our 5th batch of graduates.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, good morning to all. Now it's a time to celebrate the achievements of our computer science and engineering graduates. May I now invite the graduating students to come forward and receive your certificate from the chief guest as I call out your names. Abhilash J.Y. Adarsh Vinod. Ahmad Midlaj. Alisha Ujwala. Ananya G. Adyantaya. Anvita. Anvita. Ashwita Shetty. Ashwin Shetty. Bhagyashree. C.A. Prajwal. Devi Prasad Rai P. Dhruv Kishore Shetty. Karthik Ganesh. Karthik HR. Lakshmi U. Kurubara. Manya Anna Sam. Manvit K. Amin. Namrata Shetty. Neha VP. Nishal SB Karkera. Nishant. Prakriti S. Shetty. Ramya. Pratik Chandrasekhar Kotian. Prithvi Devadiga. Ramsha Rias. Yes, Atreya Shankar. Sannidhi S. Rai. Sharat Kumar, Shreya Yash Shetty, Swastik Achar, Tejasvi DS, Tikesh Raj, Vaishishta, Vidyashree Shetty, Vijay Kumar, Yashas Manjar, Mauna RR, Prajna P, Sushma Malesh Kaikat, thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Rajesh Rai, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to take over the proceedings.
Good morning to all. First of all, hearty welcome to your mechanical engineering graduates. I'll call up the names by one. Abhishek Kumar Padav. Ashik HS. Bhuvan B. Shetty. Deepak. Gautam J. Putran. Jeril Seen. Manish. Muhammad Shaj TP. PN Arun. Vikit V. Salyan. Sandeep K. Unnikrishnan. Shivanesh R. U. Sagar. Prateek. Thank you, one and all. Best wishes for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. John Prakash Vegas, HOD, Department of Information Science and Engineering, to take over the proceedings.
I
Good morning.
request our guest of honor, Dr. Somashekar Bhatt, to honor the graduates.
Good morning, all. The graduates of Department of Information Science and Engineering are A. Navya, Abhiram KR, Adya Shetty, Ananya Adappa, Arpita, Ashik Raj, Ashwita, Aditya Shetty, Atif Hussain Sheikh, Chaitanya, Diksha K, Disha Ebbar, Grishma Pujari, Arsharaj, Ritik NR, Kiran Kumar V, Kiran Shetty, Mayuri P, Melroy Peter Tellis, Nitasha, Pratiksha R, Preksha S. Naik, Rachana Rao, Rupesh, S. Vaishnavi Kotian, Samantha Patrick Pinto, Sanjana V.S., Shama, Shipali Jagannath Devadiga, Shravya, Shrisha Rao S, Shreya Y, Swastik, Vaishnavi Mohan Naik, Vignesh S. Naik, Yashas Bandari, Aksha, and from the Department of CSC, Mohammad Aman, Varsha B. Shetty. Congratulations, graduates. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Kiran Kumar VG, HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to take over the proceedings.
Good morning, all the graduates. Abhijit C. Abhinetri CT, Aditya GV, Atmiya Raj, Amal Dominic, Deepta Suresh, Geeta DP, Hardik Rai, Hitaishini CU, Kirtan Tilak Mendan, Navya BR, Prashant SM, Seema J. Rai, Saundarya BS, Valerie Nishma Sikwera, Sanjana N, Prajwal Gowda, Manikya, I wish all the graduates a wonderful life and a successful career ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Suman K, HOD, Department of Civil Engineering, to take over the proceedings. Over to you, madam.
Very warm welcome to all. I now call upon Civil Engineering batch to receive the honors. Karthik Mohanan, Abhinav Mohan, Abhishek A, Ayush Shetty, Chandni, Chittaranjan, G. Tanvish Raj, Mahesha, N. Lakshmikant Sheth, Nikita K.N., S. Pandana Kotian, S. Sagar Suresh, Shivani Kodikal, Dhanvin Padmanabha, Preetham, Sai Teja. Congratulations to all the graduates. On behalf of Department and AJIT, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you, dignitaries, for honoring our graduates. May I now request Dean Academics, Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa, to deliver the details of PhD holders. May I request dignitaries to honor our PhD holders.
Distinguished dignitaries on and of the dais, on behalf of the management and our institution, we wish to convey the heartfelt congratulations to our esteemed PhD holders who have succeeded there and secured doctorate degree from our research center. Their dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to research are truly commendable. This is a very rare and momentous occasion, and we're incredibly proud to celebrate their achievements. Now I am proud to present the achievers before the August gathering. Dr. Vilma D'Souza, faculty from the Department of the Mathematics of our institution, has been awarded PhD during the academic year 2024 under VTU for the research work on a study of eye functions with applications under the guidance of Dr. Shantakumari K., Professor and HOD of the Department of Mathematics of our institution. Congratulations, Madam. Dr. N. Anil Kumar, he has been awarded PhD during the academic year 2024 under VTU for the research work on implementation of self-intelligent automation system under the guidance of Dr. Gnani, Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of our institution. Congratulations, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dignitaries. It is now time to hear from some of our graduated students as they take a moment to express their heartfelt gratitude, their memories and days spent here at AJIT before stepping into the next chapter of their life. I call upon Mr. Dhruv Shetty from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering to share his feedback.
Good morning to everyone present here, respected dignitaries, esteemed management, dedicated faculty members, proud parents, and my fellow graduates. Today is a very special day for all of us, a day of celebration, reflection, and immense gratitude. As I stand here filled with pride and a sense of accomplishment, I'm also filled with deep appreciation for the people and institute that helped shape our journey, the AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the management of AJIT. Your vision and unwavering commitment to excellence in education have created an environment that nurtures talent, encourages innovation, and inspires us to strive for greatness. Your support has been the foundation on which our dreams have been built. To our faculty, words fall short to express our gratitude. Dear professors, mentors, thank you for being our guide, our motivators, and sometimes even our toughest critics. You have not only taught us the concept of algorithm, data structure, and software engineering, but also the values of discipline, perseverance, and integrity. The lessons you have imparted go far beyond textbooks. They will stay with us for life. I would also like to share a personal highlight from our time here. One of the unique things about AJIT was the way it actively encouraged us to participate in inter-college project competition, opportunities that many of our peers in other institutes didn't have access to. I still remember how our college supported and motivated us to take part in those events, providing resources, mentorship, and time, which played a huge role in boosting our confidence and exploring and giving real-world exposure. I would also like to acknowledge the non-teaching staff and support team who work behind the scene to keep the college running smoothly. Your contribution, though often unsung, are deeply appreciated. As we step into the next chapter of our lives, we carry with us the spirit of AJIT, a spirit of curiosity, resilience, and a drive to make a difference. Thank you for helping us grow, not just as engineers, but also as individuals ready to face the world. And before I conclude, I would also like to extend a special word of thanks to Computer Science and Engineering Department, the department I had the privilege of being a part of. Thank you for shaping my journey, supporting my growth, and creating a space where learning was both challenging and rewarding. This is me, Dhruv Shetty, signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhruv. Now I call upon Ms. Shivani Kodikal from the Civil Engineering Department to speak a few words on behalf of the graduates.
Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to stand before you on this proud and emotional day, our convocation. As I look back, I'm filled with a mix of joy, nostalgia, and deep gratitude. College has been more than just a place of education. It's been our second home, a place where we not only learned, but also grew, made lasting friendships, and discovered our potentials. First, I would like to sincerely thank the management and our respected principal. Your leadership made an environment where we could thrive both academically and personally. Our college provided much more than classrooms and exams. The modern infrastructure, labs, libraries, and peaceful spaces gave us tools and environments to explore. These were the spaces where we worked hard, collaborated, and made memories. Amongst those memories, stands out is our annual Techno-Cultural Fest, ACAR. ACAR wasn't just an event. It was a celebration of creativity, innovation, and unity. It gave us the platform to showcase our talents, challenge our technical skills, and collaborate across the departments. Whether it was organizing technical competition, performing in cultural events, or simply just being a part of the vibrant energy on campus. Our car brought out the best in us. To our faculty members, thank you all for your unwavering dedication. You inspired us not just through lessons, but through your encouragement and patience. To the non-teaching staff, thank you for your quiet but vital contribution. You ensured our campus experience was smooth, safe, and supportive. To my fellow students, you made this journey truly special, from late-night studies and last-minute submissions and the casual canteen talks. Each moment added something unique to our story. As we move ahead, we carry more than just degree. We carry lessons, values, and friendships that guide us in life. On behalf of all my fellow graduates, I extend our heartily thankful to everyone who made this journey so meaningful. Thank you all once again for being a part of this incredible chapter in our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. It is a great honor to have with us today Professor B. Ravi, Director, NITK. Professor B. Ravi is the Director of National Institute of Technology, Surathkal, since June 2023. He is distinguished alumnus of NIT Rourkela, where he completed Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering in 1986, followed by Master's and PhD at IIC Bangalore, and joined IIT Bombay as faculty in 1992. He is a fellow of the Indian National Academy of Engineering, Institution of Engineers, and Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellow. Professor Ravi's research work spans 3D printing, casting simulation, and medical devices. At IIT Bombay, he founded eFoundry, OrthoCAD Center, Biomedical Engineering and Technology Innovation Center, and DHR ICMR Center of Excellence. He mentored more than 20 startup companies such as IU Devices, IIT Devices, and Aumish Tech, which have become success stories and were widely appreciated, including Shark Tank. He was also the first head of Desai Sethi School of Entrepreneurship at IIT Bombay. Professor Ravi shared the relevant technology and the best practices through 260 technical papers, 300 invited talks, 80 workshops, and few books. Many government agencies and institute governing councils utilize his input for project reviews and policies. In the present tenure, Professor Ravi envisions creating Model Institute of Global Excellence and Local Relevance by connecting research, education, innovation, and entrepreneurship, thereby contributing to socio-economic development. Respected sir, may I humbly request you to deliver the graduation day address.
Namaskara and a very good morning to all of you. Special greetings to Professor Somshekara Bhatt, our guest of honor, Principal, Vice Principal, the Deans, HODs, of course the graduating students, the parents, including the special graduates, that is PhDs, very nice to have you here. And also Dhruv and Shivani, right? Oh, what a nice speech. So I think my speech is not going to be as good as their speech. What I thought I'll spend 5-10 minutes talking about the kind of possibilities that you have as graduates today in this current world. I'm remembering the visit to Rashtrapati Bhavan. As directors, we get one special privilege is that we get to see the President of India, and we get a nice special tour to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So there you see big photographs of all the presidents, Rajendra Prasad, and then you have Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and then Kovind, and then of course Draupadi Murmu. And then the last photograph will be blank. And they said, this photograph could be you. Okay, that's very dramatic way. They will say, here are all the presidents, and the next president, blank wall, they say it could be you. And it's very important here. I mean, there is no limit on what we can achieve in today's India. When we were growing up, our grandparents' major aspiration was getting some maybe government job. Our parents said, okay, private job. And then the real aspiration started that can we have our own business, things like that. But now, beyond all those things, if some of you want to become a painter or a poet or a cinematographer or a politician or a public servant or IAS officer, the whole thing is open to you. The other reason why it is interesting to think about all this is that the world today is becoming so complex, you can't predict what is going to happen tomorrow. I was talking to your principal and vice principal that those who got jobs in IT and CS and all that, do you have a guarantee that the jobs will be with you for next 5 years? Not really, right? So because of these several driving factors, and I just list a few things for you to think about. One is your own aspiration. You want to aspire for a better life. That is there. All of us have a right to aspire for a better life, quality of life, for a standard of living. But also look at it. The economic aspiration is one side, but look at what happened in the last few days or weeks. Okay? Who is friend of India? Can you say guaranteedly that this country is a friend of India? No longer anymore. So the geopolitical equations which we talk about are creating a lot of issues. Please do read news and not just social media news. Okay? And see for yourself what is going to be happening in 5 years, 10 years down the line. The third is going to be your things like your AI and automation. You really think that factories will be there with people? No, factories will be having robots. We already are, people are making what's called as a biped robots. What is biped robo? Robo on 2 feet. They will look like human beings and they'll do human beings. They will do cooking also and mining also and programming also and whatever it is. So what will you and me do? Sometimes I joke to my faculty, thank God I'm 61. I don't have to worry about teaching students to make them employable after 4 years. But teachers today have to worry about that. What do you teach today that will make the students employable 4 years down the line? So that is something you have to worry also as you're graduating today. The other couple of thoughts I want to leave with you today is that, and I see many young people, I don't know whether you worry about it. I at least see my own children and also many young people today, they worry that this world is almost becoming unlivable in terms of environmental issues. We are very lucky to be sitting in Mangalore-Udupi region, which is literally pristinely heavenly, right? Pristinely beautiful. But go to any other metro town, you know Bangalore, what is happening, you know Bombay, what is happening, Hyderabad and Delhi and all that. So we also have a responsibility to see that can we, as we do our own job, our own aspiration, whatever, can we also contribute something to solve the society problems? And I'm not talking about students only, I'm talking about faculty also. And we'll separately discuss with your college about that. Finally, I'll leave with a couple of points. The 4 things that you take into life. When you join the institute, you are teenagers, 16, 17, 18 years. And now you're graduating, you are early adults. You're no longer teen, 17 or 18 or 19, now you're 21 or whatever it is. So as you become young adults, I think 4 things you are taking back from the institute. Just remember carefully. One is the knowledge that you learnt in the classrooms. And please, this knowledge is not going to be constant. You have to spend 5-10% time every day to keep learning new things. Teachers also, students also. Because whatever you learn today is going to be obsolete tomorrow, number 1. Number 2, the skills that you have learned, what you learned in the labs. You have done a set of experiments in that. But life is different. Life is real experiments. There is no manual of how to do the experiment. Okay, so your ability to apply your theory to real life problems is going to be second thing, which is the skills that you take it. But more important than that is going to be a mindset or attitude. These days when people give jobs, and those who have faced the job interviews, you know, the kind of questions which are asked. Theoretical questions, of course they will ask. But also they are trying to judge what kind of person is that. Will he stay in the company? Is he a collaborative person? Can he communicate well? Is he creative, problem-solving type? What is the mental attitude? So if you are able to present a good attitude, positive attitude, you will stay long and also you will get promotions or get a better salary in a different company also. So please work on your mental attitude also. But finally, I leave it to saying that your physical health is the most important asset that you will have. As young person, young people, you will sleep, you will not sleep properly, you will work on digital devices for up to 2 a.m., 3 a.m., I don't know what a.m., when do you go to sleep. You will eat all kinds of food, okay. But then in 20s and 30s, your body will very forgive you, it won't even complain. But when you hit 40s and 50s, you will have serious problems. So take care of your health very carefully. And finally, 4 things that I would like to leave with you. That please think about your parents, because they have brought you into life, into this world, okay? They are always your well-wishers. So at least think about them once in a day saying, even if you say hello and thank you, great. You don't have to say thank you on a daily basis, but you're remembering them, calling them, asking them how they are is a good starting point. Number 2, your teachers who have second parents for you. Please, whenever you come back to Mangaluru, go say hello to them, whether in a college or wherever you made them. The third is going to be your friends. College, you make friends. Believe me, you will not make friends like this ever after this in life. Because you are colleagues, you are competing. In college, you don't have any competition. Your friends, you have shared a lot of shared memories. So keep calling up your friends once in a while. Have your own WhatsApp group, whatever. Do annual get-togethers if possible. Don't miss out on that. And finally, will be, of course, your colleagues at work, who also are important. You have to have a relationship with them, but work together and so on. But that is more temporary. Parents are the most permanent, then teachers, then your friends who make here, and then colleagues. So keep in touch with all of them. I really wish that all those who came to the stage and you had beautiful smiles, those 2-3 people who were not smiling, I told them, please smile. I hope you heard me, right? I wish and pray your smiles are always intact. That's my biggest prayer to all of you, to the God, that please maintain the smiles of these people. Of course, life is full of difficulties, full of challenges. Who doesn't have problems in life? Okay? But through all the problems, just think you are an actor on the stage. There's a script written, you're playing your part. That reduces a little bit of tension. And also, if you keep in touch with all these people, you can withstand the storms of life. But I wish and pray again, you have a great, successful, fulfilling career, great health, great friends, and most importantly, your smile on your face. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking words. The highest reward for a person's hardship is not what they get for it, but what they become by it. On this occasion of Graduation Day, it is very important to celebrate and honor some of our achievers. I now request Mr. Manju Kiran, Assistant Professor from the Department of E&C, to render the university-level achievers and academic toppers.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's time to felicitate our students who have excelled in academics. I request today's guest, Professor Ravi sir, to honor our academic toppers. From the Civil Engineering Department, I'd like to call upon Ms. Shivani Kodikal, who has topped in engineering, civil engineering with a CGPA of 8.14. Congratulations, Shivani. From Computer Science and Engineering, we have Mr. Tejasvi DS with a CGPA of 8.86. Congratulations, Tejasvi. From Information Science and Engineering Department, we have Mr. Ritik NR with CGPA of 8.60. Congratulations, Ritik. From Mechanical Engineering Department, we have Mr. Salyan Vikit Vishwanath with a CGPA of 8.71. Congratulations, Vikit. Thank you, sir. Now it's time to recognize the students who have represented our institute at state and university level. I request the guest of honor, Dr. Somsekhar Bhatt sir, to honor our students. Here I welcome Ms. Diya Rani from second year Computer Science and Engineering, who has secured second place in state level Karate Championship held at Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Congratulations, Diya. We have Mr. Ashish M. Rao from first year CSE, who has awarded with Chinnara Saurabha Rajya Prashasti during Karavali Kalotsava 24-25, organized by Karnataka and Cultural Secretariat, Government of Karnataka. Congratulations, Ashish. It's time to felicitate our faculty members who have awarded with PhD degree from other universities or other college research center during 24 and 25. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly do the honors. Let me call upon Dr. Suhan Das from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, who has awarded with PhD degree from Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. He has completed his PhD under the guidance of Dr. Santosh Kumar Ji. This is titled Content Aware Video Synopsis using Multi-Frame Approach. Congratulations, Dr. Suhandas. Now I call upon Dr. Vedavati Bandari from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, who has awarded with PhD degree from Mangalore University, Mangalore. She has completed her PhD under Dr. Manjaya D.H. This is titled EEG Data Understanding for Epilepsy Classification. Congratulations, madam. Congratulations to all the Excellence Award winners. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Today, we are privileged to have with us Dr. Somsekhar Bhatt, Joint Director, MIT Manipal, as a guest of honor. Dr. Somsekhar Bhatt is a professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Manipal Institute of Technology, Mahe, with specialization in MEMS. He currently serves as a Joint Director, Coursera Coordinator for Mahe, Trustee of the MIT EPF Trust, and is a member of the Student Welfare Committee at MIT Manipal. Over the years, he has had several key positions, including Head of the Department, Associate Director, PG Program Coordinator, IP Chair of Mahe, and Faculty in Charge for Continuing Education and Student Counseling. He has also been a guest faculty at the Gandhian Center for Philosophical Arts and Science. He has earned his PhD from IIT Madras in 2008, M.Tech from NITK Surathkal in 1993, and BE from NMAMIT Nitte in 1990. With over 3 decades of teaching experience, starting at NMAMIT and continuing at MIT Manipal, he is a respected academic and researcher. He has guided and co-guided numerous PhD scholars in the areas such as microfluidic devices, graphene supercapacitors, VLSI for biomedical application, and hybrid memory architectures. A reviewer for reputed journals like IEEE Access and Journal of Energy Storage, he has over 38 publications and 7 patents. Dr. Somsekhar Bhatt is also actively involved in academic boards and committees of various institutions, including NMAMIT, SIT Tumkur, and Mangalore University. He holds memberships in professional bodies such as ISTE, ISSS, IE Kodagu Chapter, ARSI, and MARC, reflecting his broad engagement with the academic and scientific community. Dear Sir, may I now request you to address the gathering.
Good morning. I think it is good afternoon. Yeah. For all graduated or graduating students, 1986, when I joined NITTE as a first batch student, I was also not knowing what my future is going to be. Clueless, confused. And then I graduated from NITTE. I joined there as a faculty. In between, I came to NITK, at that time KREC, for my PG, went back to NITTE, and then to Manipal, then to IIT Madras for my PhD. Today, when I sit in this stage, I'm sitting beside the director of NITK. I recollect 91 to 93 when I did my MTech, how difficult it was entering into the cabin of NITK director. And today I have that privilege of sitting beside the director of the institute where I graduated. If that was my story, Prashant, who is sitting beside us, and also your principal, who is sitting beside me, they are graduates of Manipal. So that way, what privilege or feeling they might be having when they are sitting beside their teacher. So that way, when Ravi sir said in President's Bhavan, if there is an empty space reserved for any commoner, because if you look at Draupadi Murmu when she went to school, I do not know whether her friends entertained her inside the class, but today she is the president of this country. That is the power of democracy, that is the power of this country. You all deserve a place here, and I'm sure Prashant and all of us will look for that day. Your achievement in the society should bring you to this stage, and you should be the guest giving certificates to the future generation. With that background, I read my pre-written speech. I do not know, should I be reading that? Because today we feel that all these things are available. Why someone should be telling us? Okay, but still, dear graduating students, does the recent developments in the field of technology such as ChatGPT, generative AI, does it worry all of us? What about our job prospectus? If you are looking for jobs which can easily be done by such tools, then you should really be worried. But I am sure you all have prepared yourself to solve bigger problems. What are those buzzwords of today? Artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, edge computing, cloud computing, cyber security, data analytics, quantum computing, autonomous vehicles, electric vehicles, drone technology, robotics, additive manufacturing or 3D printing, AR, VR, nanotechnology, fintech, digital twins, sustainable development are some of the buzzwords of today. If these have brought us challenges, if these have created problems, we are engineers are there to solve the problems. We need to make use of these to solve the problems. We were solving it in one way, but can all these developments that have come, can we make use of them to give a better solution to the society? Every domain of engineering is now exploring how these developments could be made use in the jobs they were doing in a traditional way. At AJIIT, you might be graduating from computer stream, electronics, civil, or mechanical. In all the above buzzwords, look for the opportunity your domain will have. Let me take only one of these, say electric vehicle technology. I wanted to see, I may not have updated my curriculum the way it has to be. Whether my students are preparing themselves to face the challenges or the opportunities this field or this one particular domain has brought in. So we have something called as major student projects. We have about 24 of them, each one having students from about as minimum as 25 to as large as 75 to 80 students from all engineering disciplines from first year to pre-final year. So what I did is I looked at one such team. I looked at their website. That team is Solar Mobile, which builds solar powered passenger cars. The team comprises of the following verticals: mechanical, so mechanical graduates. What does this do? In their website it says, it designs and performs finite element analysis on components building up the vehicle dynamic systems like braking, suspension, and steering. It also designs structures and aerodynamic components like the bodyworks, chassis, performing computational fluid dynamics, tests and manufacturing most of these modules in-house using power machine tools and composite manufacturing tools like carbon fiber weaves and hardening resins. So if you have prepared yourself, mechanical graduates, some of the opportunities EV is bringing in. The electronics vertical focuses on embedded data acquisition, power electronics, race engineering, and control systems. This involves writing drivers for the interfacing of various sensors, displays, and communication modules with several MCUs placed across the car, designing PCBs to support the same while building custom battery management systems, DC-DC power converters. Electronic graduates. There is an electrical vertical, designs and configures tractive parts like motor, battery pack, solar panels, and related control systems. It designs the wiring harness of the car, accounting for every single connector and strand of wire going into the car while routing them through the most optimized paths. There is a strategy vertical, aims to monitor the car's live electrical and mechanical state alongside several parameters representing weather conditions and analyze them, or weather conditions, and analyze them using mathematical control algorithms. They are now building upon the layers of abstraction in the model by implementing it with neural networks, model predictive, and fuzzy logic control algorithms. Computer science, IT, all of you can look for this. There is a management vertical responsible for handling the everyday operations, procurement, corporate and public relations, HR, documentation, essentially keeping the organization, the team alive and kicking. Is also responsible for several technical tasks like social media management, graphic design, video editing, and web development. You may have additional skill set of this. These are all opportunities. There is a research wing conducting cutting-edge research into critical electronics, mechanical components in the car, DC-DC flyback converter from electronics, cantilever suspension from mechanical, to name a few. So I presented the team composition just to emphasize that to solve a complex problem, you need experts from every domain. It is not computer science alone, you need every engineering discipline. Where you will fit, or to fit into a vertical, what skill set you need to identify. Technology is changing. It is changing rapidly. What skills you have today may not be enough after a few years. In case you are short of a skill, you need to acquire the skill. With this, you need to be a lifelong learner. Most of the times when we graduate, I finished off my study, that feeling comes. But today, we cannot dare to do that. When you are getting ready to graduate as engineers from the portals of AJIET, let me congratulate you. Your journey to become an engineer started 4 years back. I'm sure your journey for the last 4 years was a challenging one. If your journey for the last 4 years was critical and difficult, the journey ahead is much more challenging. As the torch bearers of AJIET, you have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. Your success as an engineer will define what AJIET will be in the coming days. You will have to strive hard in your life, in your workplace, and in society to benchmark AJIET among the numerous engineering institutions. Institution has taken care of your career requirements. Now it is your turn to handhold it and help it take giant steps. For the students who have an offer letter through campus placement, who have started working, one more congratulations. For the ones who are yet to have an offer, I am sure with the quality of education the institution has provided to you, the lessons of life you have learned in the campus, you will surely be able to get a job in the market. In the years to come, you will reach a position where you will be the job provider on your own, or you will be in a position to select people for your team in the company you are working for. At that time, remember the younger brothers and sisters studying in your alma mater. If you can help them to get placed, that will be the greatest service you can do to the institute. This is my message to you all on this day. Go and explore the world, dream big, strive hard to make your dream come true. Let sky only be the limit to your achievements. In the years to come, give an opportunity to your alma mater to celebrate your achievements. Let each one of you be the illustrious alumnus of AJIET. With all your achievements, be humble. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your magnifying words and a beautiful message that you have left us with. We now request Mr. Prashant Shetty, Vice President of LMET, to present a memento to the Chief Guest and Guest of Honor as a token of love and gratitude.
Thank you all. What began as a ample sampling has now grown into a flourishing tree, nurturing young minds and shaping futures. Now I request Mr. Prashant Shetty sir, Vice President LMET, to render the presidential address.
Respected Chief Guest, Professor B. Ravi, esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Somshekhar Bhatt, Principal, Dean, Vice Dean, faculty members, parents, guests, and members of media. Good morning. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank Professor Ravi and guest of honor, Dr. Somshekhar Bhatt, for accepting our invitation and being part of this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure and a deep sense of pride to stand before you on this occasion, the 5th graduation day of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This day is not just a ceremonial formality, it is a celebration of dreams fulfilled, knowledge acquired, and new beginning. From humble beginnings, since we began our mission of delivering quality technical education, our institution has grown into a dynamic institution recognized for its innovation-driven approach, student-centric program, and strong academic foundation. I take great pride today, along with the graduate passing out, to witness the series of development and has led to the growth of this institution. We have been able to bring this institution to these standards only with the cooperation and support of staff, students, and parents. On this occasion, we thank Vishwesvaraya Technology University for choosing us as a regional center in Mangalore region. On this joyful occasion, I wish to congratulate the passing out batch and take pride that our graduating class today includes young individuals who have not only excelled in academics, but also brought laurels in hackathon, coding competition, national level, festivals, sports meet, and community service. Today's occasion is a clear evidence of your hard work and the commitment of lecturers and staffs of the institution. It is gratifying to note that since the inception of the institution, there has been a significant growth in students' number, expansion of education facilities and programs, which I believe have contributed towards the achievement of the graduate on this date. To the proud parents seated here, I thank you for believing in your children, for your encouragement and unconditional support in the vision of AJIT. Finally, on behalf of the management and Lakshmi Memorial Trust, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the graduates of 2025. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. An event is always a combined effort of numerous people, both in and out of the spotlight. Now I request Dr. Anthony PJ, the convener, to render the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed faculty members, beloved parents, dear graduates, press and media person, good afternoon to all. As we come to the close of this memorable 5th graduation day celebration, it is my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, on behalf of management and AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, I extend our sincere gratitude to the chief guest of our 5th graduation day ceremony, an eminent personality, great academician, innovator, researcher, as well as a very good administrator, respected Professor B. Ravi sir, Honorable Director of NITK Surathkal, for gracing this occasion and sharing such an inspiring thoughts. Your words have truly left a lasting impact on all our graduating students. Thank you so much, sir. A heartfelt thanks to the guest of honor, Dr. Somshekhar Bhatt, Joint Director, Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, for accepting our invitation to grace this occasion, and also for your wonderful, inspiring, motivational talk. Sir, thank you for your valuable contribution to today's graduation day ceremony. I wish to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to Dr. A.J. Shetty sir, the president of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust in his absence. He is a great educationalist with a personality of vision and action, and also the backbone of AG Institute of Engineering and Technology, who is an inspiring role model to all of us. Thank you, sir. I convey my deep regards and hearty thanks to the president of today's graduation day ceremony, Mr. Prashant Shetty, the vice president of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, who has blessed this institution right from the day of its planning. We would like to thank you for all the support, valuable guidance and advice in establishing this institution as one of the greatest engineering colleges in this region. Thank you, sir. I wish to express my profuse thanks to our principal, Dr. Shantaram Raisi, a personality with active involvement and the right direction to organize this graduation day program. I thank you, sir. I record my deep sense of gratitude to Dr. P. Mahabaleswarappa, Dean Academics, for his expertise and active involvement in organizing this graduation program today. I thank you, sir. My special and hearty thanks go to heads of all the departments, teaching and non-teaching staff for their wholehearted support for organizing this graduation day program today. Thank you all. I would like to thank all the parents, those who have attending this graduation day celebration. Your love, unwavering support, encouragement and guidance have helped your child to achieve their goals. Thank you all. More importantly, I would like to thank all the graduates for attending your graduation day ceremony. To the graduates, I want to say congratulations and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. You have reached a significant milestone in your life and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. This day marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. May you find success, happiness, and fulfillment in all that you do, and you may continue to make a positive impact in the world. Thank you all and wish you all the best. Finally, I thank each and everyone who have contributed for success of this program. Thank you all and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir, for your warm words of gratitude. In this moment, let our hearts beat as one with pride and gratitude for the land we call home. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गावे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all for gracing this auspicious occasion. Dear students, as all of you dressed in identical caps today and ready to hit the road to success which is always under construction, as we have come to the end of today's ceremony, we leave our graduating class with a final message that May your future be as bright as your potential. And may you continue to make us proud in all your endeavors. We, the entire family of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, wish and pray to conquer your dreams. With these wishes and prayers in mind, I, Sharanya PS, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC,
and I, Rachna Kunda, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, your host for the day, extend our heartily wishes to life's new beginning. Thank you everyone and good luck.
Lunch is arranged near canteen. Please join us for the lunch. Thank you one and all.
Graduates, kindly do not leave the hall. We have a group photography now. First, we'll have a group photography of CS department. I request all the CS graduates to come near the main stage. Next, we have a group photo of mechanical department. I request graduates of mechanical department to be present near the main stage. I request graduates of mechanical department to come near the dais for a group photograph.